Hello, this is my 13th lecture on complex analysis. I, Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we are going to study the harmonic function. Any function of xy, any function of xy which possesses continuous partial derivative of the first and the second order and satisfy Laplace's equation is called a harmonic function. Which any function of x and y which possesses continuous partial derivative of the first and the second order and satisfies Laplace's equation is called a harmonic function. Now, theorem. If fz is equal to u plus iv, an analytic function, then u and v are both harmonic function. Let fz is equal to u plus iv be an analytic function. Then we have by Cauchy-Riemann equation del u by del x is equal to del v by del y, or del u by del y is equal to minus del v by del x. Also, because u and v are real and imaginary part of an analytic function, therefore derivative of u and v of all orders exist and are continuous function of x and y. So we can have del 2 v by del x into del y is equal to del 2 v by del y by del x. Differentiating equation 1. Equation 1 with we have del 2 u by del x square is equal to del 2 v by del x into del y, and del 2 u by del y square is equal to minus del 2 v by del y into del x, and adding this two we get del 2 u by del x square a plus del 2 u by del y square is equal to 0. Similarly, del 2 v by del x square plus del 2 v by del y square is equal to 0. Hence, both u and v satisfy Laplace's equation. Then, del 2 v capital V by del x square plus del 2 capital V by del y square is equal to 0. Therefore, both u and v are harmonic functions. Such function when u and v are satisfied conjugate harmonic function or simple conjugate function. So, determination of the conjugate function. If fz is equal to u plus iv is an analytic function where both u xy and v xy are conjugate function. Being given one of the variable u xy, the discriminant we determine the other value of vxy. Since vyx is v is a function of xy, therefore dv can be written as del v by del x into dx, del v by del y into dy. By Cauchy-Riemann theorem, we can write it as minus del u by del y dx plus del u by del x into dy. Thus, we have dv is equal to del v by del y into dx plus del u by del x into dx. The right hand side of the equation 1 is in the form m dx plus n dy is where m is equal to minus del u by del y dy and n is equal to del u by del x. So that del m by del y is equal to minus del u square by del y square and del del n by del x can be written as del by del x del u by del x, that is equal to del 2u by del x square. So we can get del 2u by del x square plus del 2u by del y square is equal to 0, and also del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. Hence, the equation satisfies the condition of exact differential equation. So, the equation 1 can be integrated and thus is determined. Now see an example. Show that the function u given is harmonic and find the harmonic equation. Today we are studying the harmonic function. U is given, then calculate del u by del x and del u by del y, and then del 2u by del x square and del 2u by del y square, and after adding them we get that is equal to 0. Then u is a harmonic function. Now to find the conjugate harmonic function, let dv is equal to del v by del x into dx plus del v by del y into dy, which when Cauchy-Riemann equation is applied can be written as minus del u by del y into dx plus del u by del x into dy. So putting these values in this, we can get b is equal to tan inverse y by x plus c, where c is a real constant. This is the equation of the harmonic function. Let us take another example. U is given cos x into cos hyperbolic y and is a harmonic, and find the harmonic conjugate. Find the harmonic conjugate. Here also u is given, find del u by del x and del u by del y, and then uh, putting these values in del 2u by del x square and del 2u by del y square, we get this is equal to 0. Hence, u is a harmonic function. Let b be considered as the conjugate harmonic function. So, v can be written as dv is equal to del v by del x into dx plus del v by del y into dy, and applying Cauchy-Riemann theorem, we can get dv equal to whatever you can see on your screen, and then integrating we get v is equal to minus sine x into sine hyperbolic y plus c, where c is a real constant. Similarly, I have given some example. Please try it at home and try. Then I am explaining the next example 4. Let u is given and show that there exists a function vxy such that w is equal to u plus iv is analytic in a finite region. This is somewhat different. So here u is given find del u by del x, del 2u by del x square, del u by del y and del 2u by del y square. And then we can see del 2u by del x square plus del 2u by del y square is equal to 0, which satisfies Laplace's equation. Hence, therefore, this is a harmonic function. Again, dv can be written as del v by del x into dx, del v by del y into dy. So, after calculating, we can get the value of v. Last example we have performed up to this only. Now in this case we are moving further. Here let the function be fz, and which can be written as u plus iv. U is given and v we have calculated, then putting these values we can get fz. Since we can differentiate it fz with respect to z, we get f dash z is equal to 3z square, which exists for all finite value of z. So fz is analytic in any finite region. I have given more example. Please try them at home. Now I am explaining another example, example 7. Prove that if u is given, v is given, both u and v satisfy Laplace's equation, but u plus v is not an analytic function. U is given, then find del u by del x, del u by del y, del v by del v by del x, and del v by del y. Then putting this in del 2 v by del x square plus del 2 v by del y square, which comes about 0, and so the Laplace's equation is satisfied. Hence this is a harmonic function. But here, since del 2u by del y, del u by del y is not equal to del v by del y, and del u by del y is not equal to del v by del x. Here del u by del x, there will be some mistake. Del u by del x is not equal to del v by del y, and del u by del y is not equal to minus del v by del x. Hence, since the Cauchy-Riemann equation is not satisfied, hence the function is not analytical. So, student, today this much only. Thank you.